I am waiting for strength. So I have the balance. I have like 1.83 USD on my account, and I'm waiting to be trending and at least 30%. So it's not trending. That's going on well. It's above 30%. So activate the bot. As you can see, so I target $1, right? It's done. I'm now 3, so this is my real account, right? So I'm also still waiting for, I'm just gonna refresh, reset. My base stake will be 0.5, and I want to target $2. No, I just want to target $1. Right? Don't be greedy in the market. So I'm waiting here to be trending. It's not trending. I start the bot. It's above 57. So I only target $1. Done. I'm now at $4. I just want to grow this small account.